Alalay for today. Hi mga shots. Good afternoon. Hapon na. Nagugulat siya kung sinong kausap ko. Looking for cheese? Parmesan cheese. Right here. Parmesan cheese. This one. Right there. Small one. Anyway, nandito kami sa SM. Nag-grocery dahil magluluto siya ng kanyang best Italian spaghetti. His own version, yung kanyang ingredients. So yan po yung aming ginagawa. Now, what else? Meron pa siyang listahan talaga, oh. Chipotle, sibuyas. Okay. Ito yung sibuyas. Kailangan niya sa spaghetti niya. Silico. What else? She likes cheese. Any cheese. Ordinary cheese. Okay, we will find the onion. The big onion. Kailangan niya ng big onion. Onions. Ito big onion. Dapat ito pala.
I'm gonna work, Mario.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to my office.
You know.
Sana all my office. How I wish my office din. My office? My office din ako.
I will be in my office.
Ayan. Good afternoon mga shots.
There's no
Wait
phone
lang.
secretary if you need anything.
Sana all. May office na, may secretary pa. Mayaman na siguro to. Ano ba yung santol mo? Ilang araw na yan dyan. Parang hindi mo pa naubos yan. Kaya nga, ba't nandyan pa yan? Wait lang. Mga chas yung kanyang niluluto. Masarap to mamaya. Isang kilo to na spaghetti. When you put the pork, the beef, when?
Before the fish and pork.
When it's cooked. Kailangan daw muna maluto yung kanyang sibuyas.
Just don't the same sauce. But
Ang bango ng sibuyas. Pero sabi niya mabaho daw ang sibuyas.
not 1 hour.
Too much odor.
Good Lord.
I always mix.
Fish and no reclamira.
Yeah.
No reclamira for odor.
Okay lang daw sa'yo. Hindi ka nagreklamo sa odor daw ng sibuyas.
Of course, I don't like. It's too strong.
You brought that up.
Bango kaya? Ayan mga shots. Dahil magluluto kami ng spaghetti niya. Ang tawag dito is Malamario spaghetti. Sa kanyang spaghetti. So, kopyahin natin yung kanyang ingredients. So, dahil magluluto tayo, may ingredients tayong gagayahin. So, una, meron tayong sili. 5 peso lang tong sili. Di pa naman kumakain ng sili, pero ewan ko kung spices lang sa kanya, pampaano, lasa yata. Tapos, next, meron tayong green peas. Ayan, isang can. Ilang gram ba to? Let me check. 400 grams. So, kailangan ko siyang i-vlog para meron next time gusto kong mamiss kong kumain ng spaghetti niya. O, di magluluto na lang tayo. Gayahin na natin sa video. Maingay man yung aking madam. Wala akong magawa kasi hindi ko to bahay. So anyway, mayroon na tayong ganyan at saka sili. Mayroon tayong 1 kilong beef to. 1 kilong beef. Tapos meron tayong sauce na brand Capre. Yan, ilang gram ba to? 800 gram. And meron din tayong mushroom. And also parmesan. And dalawang box na total of 1 kilo ng kanyang, anong brand to? Barilla. Barilla brand ng kanyang, spaghetti noodles. And yung basilico pala, yung basilico niya na. Hinimay-himay niya na yung dahon, so hindi natin mapakita ang basilico, pero kasama yan sa ingredients. And also, 1 kilong sibuyas, and 6 cloves of garlic. Yun lang yung ingredients niya. Ilan lang? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, bali 10 ingredients yung niya, magagamit niya sa kanyang spaghetti.
What's the smell?
Good smell. Indiano smell. Mario's pot. Tapos mayroon kaming mamaya, vino for our spaghetti tonight.
Where is my wine?
What is that?
California red. Ay, I thought you get the sweet
For is for Australia, yes, no more. Only for California.
oh, we have sangria. We seen the sangria and the sweet
Sangria.
sangria.
Man, like
No
sangria,
good?
like,
So ito yung pinili niya.
Sangria.
So wala na tayong magagawa.
Ano yan?
Sangria.
Sangria.
It's no sangria.
Hindi,
Oh.
Carlo Rossi yan. Yan yung ininom natin na matamis.
Oh, no. Sorry, it's not sangria. I thought the other one is sangria, right? The other...
I don't like sangria.
you don't like. Akala ko ito yung sangria yung kinuha niya. Hindi pala, California red na Carlo de Rossi. It's good vino, Mario? Sangria? Oh, Carlo de Rossi. So, yung kanyang... Yan yung...
Why you eat last night? How Carlo Rossi? Of California or Australia?
Carlo Rossi, that one.
What? Yung niya?
California.
California or sangria?
Hindi ko alam.
Or sweet? No, sweet. That's sweet. Last night is sweet. Sweet
Yeah,
yun.
mine is sweet. This one is smooth red. Ay.
Sweet yun last night.
And then,
And they are the same vino.
puti basura.
Yeah.
Ah,
You don't know how to...
We drink it tonight. So, yan po yung kanyang ingredients. So, yan, gagayahin natin. Yung kanyang ingredients pag wala siyang
yeah, one glass is low for them.
The what?
One glass. Low for
One
them.
glass is
Yeah,
okay.
okay.
We drink
So-
the whole bottle.
What is that? Many basura to. What you think I put all?
Let me help you. You want help?
What?
You need help? No?
No,
Sakit ng...
it's the more this.
Ang sakit ng ko, ng likod ko. Gusto ko ng massage. Kumikirot yung likod ko. Grabe. Oh.
Yeah, come.
So, yan lang po yung mga ingredient shots. Update ko kayo. Bawasi sa mga kaganapan.
So, no more.
Isang oras pa tayo mag-aantay sa kanyang lulutuin. Sibuyas pa lang yung 1 oras.
Here, put the basura.
Okay.
Why you like?
Oh Mario, you can grow this one. You put in the glass with the water, then it will grow. The root come out. Yeah.
Why you like?
Yeah, I put this in the Ganyan sila pag madali sila mabuhay pag ilagay sila sa baso na may tubig. Yung ugat lalabas. Kasi naman itapon niya. So, gawa natin ng paraan. Anyway, yan lang muna mga shots. I'll be back later. Update ng kanyang niluluto.
No disturb Michelle.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, hi.
Do not disturb madam.
Oh, you have a freeze.
Freeze.
Yeah, he's
Yeah, in the flower shop, you can buy the fresh rosemary.
It's raining before, remember? And Mario don't like rain. Always reclamere. Oh, it's okay. You use the bottle. Oh, here, Laurel.
Hindi
How many? Kailangan daw yung Laurel.
Tanggalin mo yung stapler dyan, baka ma-shoot sa ano.
do
Go eh.
Ma-shoot sa...
Gutom na yung mga tiyan. Tagal lutuin ang kanyang spaghetti.
You put outside.
What you put outside?
Pepperoni.
The pepper?
Put it.
And the seed you put inside? Lalagyan niya ng shots, sili. Sana hindi maanghang to. Dahil pag maanghang, hindi ko siya may enjoy. Hindi ako kumakain ng maanghang eh. Kumakain ako kung gusto ko yung pagkain kasi hindi ako nabubusog. Nilulunok ko lang yung yung pagkain na may sili. Medyo durog na tong ayan, lalagyan niya na ng sili. Yung sili kanina na nasa loob, dinurog niya, tinanggal niya sa kaldero tapos dinurog niya.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain. It's never ending. It's so
Ganyan na siya, nadurog na yung sibuyas. Mabango ah. Good smell, Mario. Good smell. No? Michelle don't like it? Madam?
admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me.
So, ayan na. Then, yan? Rosemary. Lagyan rosemary. Nandiyan na lahat ang kanyang ingredients maliban sa, of course, yung noodles at saka yung tomato sauce. Wala pa. So, pinaghalo niya na yung beef, mushroom, beans, at saka laurel. Yan. Halo-halo na yan. So, yan ang aking tatandaan. Buti nilang mayroon tayong YouTube, no? Ang ingay naman ng madam ko. Pagpasensyahan nyo na dahil nakikiluto kami ng nakikikusina kami ng ibang bahay. Ayan, nilalagay na.
Have a small
What?
for tomato.
Okay, wait. Na kaming kakain, mga shots. Ang bango na.
Come, you try.
Me? Is that spicy?
Maga, no spice. Come.
Try ko daw kung anong lasa.
Let you touch it. Spice.
My goodness, Mario, spicy.
Spice.
It's okay, you can... Spicy para sa akin.
Michelle asking no spice.
Yeah, because Michelle likes spicy. Me, I don't eat spicy, so Even it's not spicy for you, it's
Yeah,
spicy
but,
for me.
Too much, I put 10 in Italy.
Normal.
Chili. I put only 5 here.
Okay. No problemo, Mario.
Oh, no, it's not spicy.
No problem, I can eat it. But if I cook like this, I will not put chili. Silly.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah. Oh.
Mario, what happened? Okay, finish.
Sorry.
Piano, piano. It's okay. I like sauce. Later, no more sauce. Everyone like your spaghetti. I taste again.
It's no good.
It's good, Mario. Delicious.
For what? I have many tobacco out there. I pay too much for what? For nothing.
You offer that you're going to cook. No reclamere, Mario. Thank you for cooking your spaghetti.
Nagluto siya kasi, ano, kakain siya, hindi pinagluto. Nagluto.
Oh, para makatipid daw siya sa
Big
pagkain.
sauce.
Yeah, it's good. 2 minutes sauce. Delicioso. Ang bango. Saan tayo magluto ng ng noodles? Yung noodles, ano iluluto? May kaldero ka pa? Ayan, kumakain na kami mga shots.
It's tagay.
Salote.
White. It's blue, but it's a white.
It's not sweet. This is not sweet. This is
Oh, don't look at me. You choose that one.
For me, it's okay.
For me, it's okay.
kasi
I only like it.
Sa kanya naman daw.